Two particles, P and Q, of masses 5 kg and 3 kg respectively, are connected by a light inextensible string. Particle P is pulled by a horizontal force of magnitude 40 Newton along a rough horizontal plane. Particle P experiences a frictional force of 10 Newton and particle Q experiences a frictional force of 6 Newton. Let me draw a diagram first of all. So one particle, let me consider it as P. This is another particle, this is, let me consider it as Q. These two are connected by light inextensible string, and P is pulled by a horizontal force of magnitude 40 Newton along rough horizontal plane. Particle P experiences a frictional force of 10 Newton. Then particle Q experiences a frictional force of 6 Newton. And since these two particles P and Q connected by light inextensible string for light tension is being same, and acceleration will also be same, and then there can be some weight, that is 3g and then 5g, normal reaction, R1, R2. Now let me consider all the things as one unit. So let me resolving in the direction of motion. 40 minus 10 minus t plus t minus 6 equals to total mass 5 plus 3 into acceleration. Now let us simplify. 10, 16, 40, this will be 24, and then 8a. So acceleration will be 3. This is the answer for A. And for B, to find out tension, we can consider we can consider P or we can consider Q. So let me consider here Q. For Q resolving in this direction, T minus 6 equals to mass time acceleration. Acceleration is here 3, we have got earlier. So 6 equals to 9 plus 6, that is tension is 15 Newton. Now last part, explain how the modeling assumption that the string light and inextensible have been used. So for inextensible acceleration will be same. For light, inward tension is same. So thank you very much and bye bye.